Watertight bulkhead. A watertight bulkhead is a strong, fully sealed vertical wall or partition built inside ships, submarines, barges, and other marine structures. It is designed to be completely impermeable water even under pressure. The main purpose: safety and damage control. It divides the vessel hull into separate closed compartments. If one compartment gets damaged and flooded, the bulkhead stops water from spreading to other areas. This prevents the vessels from sinking or losing stability. Structural support. It reinforces the hull, making the entire vessel more rigid and able to withstand waves and external force.